It's Heyyyyyyyyy too. It's Heyyyyyyyyy. It's tasteful. It's graceful. It's Heyyyyyyyyy. It's Heyyyyyyyyy. What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Heyyyyyyyyy too. And today, guys, I'm getting into part 3, Keep Our Toss Swimsuit Edition. Guys, we're gonna get into some real true classics. Now, I just went downstairs and I pulled out some more stuff out the closet. Stuff that I didn't even know that I still had. So, I brought some more swimsuits up here. You guys have been bringing memories to my mind and say, hey, do you still got this swimsuit? Do you still have that swimsuit? So, we're gonna go ahead and get right into these swimsuits, and I'm gonna show you guys some true classics. Some true classics. We're gonna get right into things. Did I tell you guys? Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and do all of that great stuff that you know that I love to see you do. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. And you already know I appreciate you. So let's go ahead and get right into things. Let's do it. Guys, so right off the rip, we're gonna go ahead and start with this pink. I don't know. I want to say that it's like a bikini because the bottoms are like V-cut. I got this bathing suit from Amazon or Shein. I really can't remember. I've had it for some time. I wore it about one time. So I want to go ahead and back it up so you guys can get a better look at this. I really like this powdery, I'm going to call it soft girl pink. So I'm going to go ahead and back it up. As you can see. You see, I really feel like it complements my mommy gut very well. Look at that. Let's pull them down just a tad up, shall we? Yeah, look at that. Look at that. And this is what it's looking like from the side. Don't laugh at my horrible knots. That wasn't easy to tie. But I don't know. What do you think, guys? Is she a keep? Is she a toss? I don't know. I feel like I want to keep it, but if you let me choose, I'm keeping everything. But no, off the rip, that I only wore one time. And I love the top. I really love this top. I would actually wear this top without it being a bikini bottom, just like with a pair of jeans. Y'all seen I had it with shorts. But off the strength of that, I'm going to go ahead and keep this one. Because I didn't get a lot of wears out of it. So we're not going to ramble on about this one too much. Let's go ahead and get into the next one, shall we? I'm actually lost for words about this swimsuit. Now, this one is really a true classic. Let's let the track go by. I swear, don't nothing get loud until I start filming. It's so weird, like. But anyway, let's stay focused. I had hair in my mouth. Anyway, this bathing suit is considered a true classic. It was sent to me, I want to say like 2021, I believe, from one of my virtual friends. I don't like to use the term supporter. I don't like to use the term fan. You guys are my virtual friends. Let me back it up so you can see. Look at how this is looking on me now. I can tell you that this swimsuit right here, it's not going nowhere. It's not going nowhere. It's an easy keep for me. It came from Amazon. Did I tell you that already? I think I told you that already. Let me go ahead and turn it out. This is what it look like from the side now. This is what we look like. This is what it was looking like. And I just want to take a moment. I just want to take a moment to give myself grace and say, Lo, I am proud of you. I'm proud of you. And it's not that my bathing suits look bad then. And I keep saying it. I didn't look bad when I was a little bit heavier, but I can appreciate my clothes fitting me right. You know, they're not riding up in me. I have more wiggle room to move around. And this is just a beautiful swimsuit all around. And I love sunflowers. Surprisingly, I don't even have my sunflower bracelet on. I like flowers. So this is an easy keep. Easy keep. Easy keep. Hey guys, so this is a 3-piece bathing suit that I got from Amazon about 3 years ago for a birthday trip. I don't know, maybe even longer than that. I don't know. But what I can tell you is that it's a true classic, and I'm still in love with it. I'm very much in love with it, but I do have to let some things go. This Came from Amazon. It's a medium. I don't know that I ever did a haul on this one either, because I didn't like get it for a haul. I actually got it for a trip, so it may be new to your eyes. But yeah, this one is definitely a true classic. I like how the skirt compliments me. It's just a true classic, you know? And it's very tasteful and graceful. So off the rip, I feel like I should keep this, because I told you I like my cover-ups, I like my little skirts, and the jacket is just a plus. It's a plus. So we're gonna go ahead and keep this. I think we should keep this. It should just be an easy keep. This bathing suit that I have right here, it's an Amazon find. I never included it in a dress haul, so this one may be new to your eyes. Let's go ahead and back it out so you can see. Now, initially the strings came from about right here all the way to this wall. I actually just went ahead and cut the strings on this. But yeah, the tassels is what got me. This is why I bought it, simply because of the tassels. I don't know, it gave me but I'm tossing this one. Do me a favor, and in the comment section, go ahead for the last bathing suit, write True Classic 2. Just drop True Classic 2 for the other bathing suit if you feel like I should keep that. But off the rip, I could already tell you that this one is a toss. I'm never going to wear this. I actually boarded the plane. Excuse me. All right, I was thirsty from jumping around like that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into this blue bathing suit. Now, we modeled this, I want to say around this time, I want to say last year. So I didn't really get a chance to wear this one too much. I like these ones with like the little skirts, because I have little people that I go outside with and swim with sometimes. So I need like little cover-ups and stuff. They're not so little anymore, but let's go ahead and back it out. I still gotta cover it. So this is the Amazon find. So if you go look at the rest of like the playlist, you'll see these. Definitely do see some transformation in this. So I definitely would like to keep this one. I think I'm gonna keep this one. What do you think? You guys think I should keep this? So it comes with the little skirt, and then I have some pants. Oh wait, excuse me, I have some pants. Let's get the pants. Hold on now. I'm gonna keep it because I can wear it in multiple ways. Hold on now. So I got these pants here. Let me get them on. Let's see. Wait, hold on, they backwards. Let's turn them around. Slow it down, love. Oh, I know I can fit these. I know I can fit them. I can wear it with these pants too. So I'm definitely gonna keep this. And the blue just looks so good on my skin. Look at that. 360s. Ah. So what do you think? Easy keep? Easy keep? I still have tons of bathing suits. Do you think we should keep this going? Do me a favor. So for the blue one with the flowers, I need you to drop in the comment section. I want you to say true classic baby blue flowers. For this one, I wouldn't say that it's a classic, but since we are saying true classic, I want to go ahead and drop in the comment section, put in the comment section, true classic dark blue. If you feel like I should keep this one. I'm sorry guys, we missed last Sunday. I was just so busy. I wanted to get this out last weekend, but it's okay, because hopefully you're still tapped in with me and you're gonna see it when I drop it. And I'm feeling like I'm gonna drop it right now. And if you're still here and you like these styles and you feel like it helped give you summer inspiration, go ahead and give me a like. Go ahead and give me a subscribe. But these pants are so cute. Where did I get these pants from? I actually think I got these pants from like a local mall. Didn't order these offline. So this is what the pants is looking like. And I only wore these like one time physically out on a trip. Very cute. It's very tasteful, it's very graceful, and it's very vibrant. But guys, I'm feeling like that's going to conclude the try on haul for tonight. There's so many looks that I still have that I do want to try on, so we can keep it going. We can get a part 4 running. Guys, remember, the more you click, the more you're going to get over here. And Sunday, I'm coming back for ASMR. It's going to be our traditional ASMR.